Hi everyone. The other day, a travel pro from California asked me if blogging was really worth her time and effort. Is anybody even reading blogs these days? Well, what a great question. So I dove in and found these stats from Opt-in Monster for 2021. They say that each month, approximately 409 million people view more than 20 billion blog pages. That's about 70 million blog posts being published each month by WordPress users. And then 77 million new blog comments are generated by readers each month. Now, I bet you there's a pretty good chance that your perfect clients are reading blogs too. But how do you rise above the other 70 million blogs that are out there? What causes people to read and comment on a blog? Well, here's what I've learned from writing a blog post every week since 2009. One, blog titles can make or break the open rate. Think of it this way. Who would open a blog with a boring title? Who would scroll down 2 or 3 pages in a search when looking for a certain topic? Well, here's the deal. Titles with 6 to 13 words attract the highest and most consistent amount of traffic. Here's the secret sauce. Ensure that your title includes keywords that people are likely to search. For example, if your blog post is about wedding planning tips, make sure that those keywords are in the title. Insiders know that having numbers in your title inspires people to open your post. And savvy bloggers also know that having the words how to in the title work like a charm and increase open rates. So let's go back to that example of a post about wedding planning tips. Here's an example of a great title. 3 wedding planning tips to ease your stress. Or how about this example? How to plan your wedding without becoming bridezilla. Think of these things when you're writing your next blog title. The second tip is once you get some eyeballs on your blog post, the goal is to get them reading and get them to stay there as long as possible. This will help you build a relationship with the reader and start the process of turning them into a prospect and later a client. One of the most valuable ways to keep people reading is to give their eyes a break once in a while. Think of it this way. People get fatigued reading long sentences within long paragraphs. Give them a break by adding subheadings and quote blocks and pictures. The secret sauce is that these small breaks spur them to read more. What many people don't realize is that search engines love subheadings because they draw on those keywords when presenting search results. Plus, it's an easy way to organize your thoughts and content as you're writing. The bottom line is that blog readers and search engines love new content that's easy to read. Just remember to use your keywords correctly so that your SEO skyrockets and your readers find you. So go ahead, grab your pen or your keyboard and weave these tips into your next blog. Your readers are waiting to hear from you.